Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
Glimmer.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Glimmer is to shine faintly with a wavering light. It also means to gleam and glow, but not to be dark.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Shimmer, twinkle, sparkle.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Dull, gloom, shadows.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Did you hear about the firefly who couldn't stop glimmering at night? He was grounded for being too bright. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
As the sun set, a glimmer of light shone on the water, making it sparkle like magic.
Let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
Singable Words.